Personalized and great-sounding ringtones are as simple as lights, action, ringtone. Ringtone Director Pro lets you write a script, choose from dozens of voice characters, and then add special effects. Personally, I was impressed that this app is tremendously multi-platform, with versions for iOS, Android, Windows Phone, and Mac OS X. The creator of Ringtone Director has prepared this video for you. Let's watch.
Did you reach for your phone? OMG, if I hear that ringtone one more time, I am going to go postal, or should I say, email? Ever hear the phrase, think different? Sure, when everybody reaches for their phone, we phones get a good laugh. Well, we can't exactly laugh, so we vibrate, which makes people reach for their phones again. It is the only fun we get. Take it from me, Siri, musical ringtones are so 2000 and late. You have to guess which song is for which contact, and do you really want your boss to know you are a huge Justin Bieber fan? Listen to me, sweetie, your phone is calling, it wants a new ringtone. With Ringtone Director, you can select from over 50 voices, like British man or woman, Valley Girl, Jersey Girl, Wise Guy and more. Of course, I prefer the voice of Siri. You can also choose from dozens of sound effects to play before your custom message is spoken. Choose Big Ben, Old Phone, Kisses, and more. Look, I am a pretty amazing assistant, but what I've always wanted to do is direct. iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch users can use custom ringtones for incoming email, text messages, and even alarm clock alerts. Ringtone Director creates ringtones that work on iPhone, iPad, Android, Windows Phone, BlackBerry and other devices.
Imagine a ringtone that says, "Steve, the president is calling. He needs your advice." Again.
Todd, your mother-in-law is calling. I suggest you let it go to voicemail.
Mr. Smith, this is the police. Your son gets one phone call. This is that call.
Mrs. Johnson, wake up. It is time to take your sleeping pills.
Batman, Commissioner Gordon is calling. Gotham City needs your help. By the way, ever since we created a custom ringtone instead of using that Batman logo spotlight, we are saving Gotham City a ton in energy bills.
What does your ringtone say about you? With Ringtone Director, it can say whatever you can think of.
Our inventor of Ringtone Director, so speak to him and I'm sure he'll make you a ringtone. And now we're going to go to see how we do on our next trivia question. Oh, okay. All right, there are a couple of answers to this one, but we'll take a bunch. What is the world's most expensive app? Any guesses? Well, that's the right price. She gets the prize. There's also the law review is $999. $999 appears to be the top. Oh, do you want to debate that? Anybody want to debate that?